I see in here is a Lexer memory card. It's class 10, 16 gigabyte. I got it for free. Really cool. Thing is the Canon EF135 STM lens. It's a really good lens. I love it. I'm gonna unbox it in a bit. Hold on. And then the next thing is the Rebel T4i. Canon Rebel T4i. Yeah, it's really nice. I'll open it right now. So you get the manual, a couple CDs. And it comes with like 2 different books. Alright, so right here you have the body. And here it is. It says T4i right there. It's got the cover. It's really cool. It's a lot smaller than I thought. Thinking about putting a battery grip on it. We'll see. Now let's open up the lens. Again, this is the Canon EFS 18135 STM lens. Let's see where I'm really excited to open this because this is my first DSLR camera. So here it is, 18135 STM lens. Let's see if I could like zoom in and out. Not really. Yeah, it looks really sick. It's got stabilizer, obviously, autofocus, manual focus, however you guys want to do it. I definitely really recommend this. The only difference from this and the STM and this is that the STM is silent when you're doing focusing. And I think that's the only difference. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. Looks really, really nice. Great lens. Yeah, so that's basically my unboxing. And definitely stay tuned for my next videos.